Welcome to Kids Land.
Orange, carrot, crunchy and sweet. Hop on the train, a healthy treat. Red tomato, juicy and round. On the veggie train, we're homeward bound.
Green broccoli looks like a tree. Ride on the train, so good for me.
Brown potatoes, soft inside. Join the train, enjoy the ride.
Yellow corn, roast so neat. On the veggie train, a tasty seat.
Green cucumber, cool and long. On the train, we sing along.
Big orange pumpkin, round and bright. Ride the train, oh what a sight. Onion, layer by layer. Join the train if you dare.
White cauliflower, fluffy and light. On the veggie train, what a delight.
Colorful peppers, red, green, yellow. On the train, a happy fellow.
Purple beetroot, tasty and sweet. Hop on the train, tap your feet. Shiny eggplant, purple and tall. On the veggie train, fun for all.
Little garlic, strong and white. Join the train, hold on tight.
Round green cabbage, crunchy to chew. Hop on the train, just for you.
Thank you for watching Vegetables.